There are sharks in the water on MULN stock. MULN short squeeze finally happened. The stock squeezed from 72 cents to 99 cents today on May 25th. Almost 100 million shares of MULN were purchased today, which is equivalent to about 3 downtrending days of MULN stock. MULN recently released a series of press releases designed to meet the NASDAQ listing requirements. MULN has to stay above $1 or MULN will be delisted from the NASDAQ, which is seriously problem for anyone holding MULN stock. But the share dilution has also led investors to lose faith in MULN stock. Fortunately, MULN is not our only play. We announced in Discord that we're trading Mara today, and Mara is up 20 cents, $9 to $9.20. It was an excellent scalp trade. We win about 90% of our trades on Discord, and it's 100% free to join, so make sure to click the link in the description if you're not already. Chaco made $466 yesterday on Discord, and shout out to Kiana Cutie for making an easy $150 this morning on Discord. ABCL, a trade that we called out on this channel, profit target 4, it went to $7.56 after we called it at $6.49 2 days ago. So congratulations to anyone who owns shares of ABCL, and make sure to take profits. We're all about taking profits in this community. Mullen was a victim of a technical shift, meaning that Mullen is not just down for now. Mullen is never going to go to $500 today in the near future. And that is just because the company is not valued as much as it used to be. So it's not like Tesla, it's not like Apple, it's not like the stock is going to go back to where it previously was. MULN was at $500 at one point. You can't expect to buy Mullen at $1 and expect it to go to $500. You can't expect to make 500 times your money. Would I love for you to make 500 times your money? Of course I would. This channel is about making you as much money as I can possibly make you. But I can't, in good conscience, tell you to buy MULN at $1 and expect the stock to go up 500 times what it is now. So we're going to trade the stock realistically. This channel is about making you money consistently in the stock market. We've helped Aksarbin make money in the stock market. He had a trading account of about $4,000 when he joined the pro program, and he's already up to about $4,300, and he's just started. He's just getting started in his first few weeks in pro. So I'm really proud to have him on the team, and I'm really proud to have you on the team. You who watch this channel are going to receive my stock trading advice. It's not financial advice, but this is a publishing company, and you're going to receive my detailed analysis of the top trades that I'm taking and how to make money in the stock market. We're going to take a look at the charts right now. Where can MULN squeeze to? Well, it's about 99 cents right now. We can expect to squeeze to, again, about that $1 level. Make sure that MULN is able to break through that $1 level. There's no guarantee that MULN will break through $1. So I recommend, if you trade MULN, to wait for MULN to break $1 and stay above $1 and then buy the stock. Sell at $1.06, $1.16, $1.33. Don't expect the stock to go beyond $1.50. It's breaking news. We just called out ELEV stock in the pro Discord at $3, and we just got a rally to $4.97. I'm notifying my traders to sell right now. ELEV went from $3 where we called it out to $4.97. Again, you can see the proof right here that we called out ELEV at $3 in the pro Discord at 2:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time after hours, and ELEV rallied 100%. If you want winning trades like the ones that we call out in the pro Discord, then click the link below and get the pro trial. Okay, that is key. $1.50 is the resistance for MULN. Make sure that you have your position mostly closed before $1.50 if you trade MULN stock. There's no guarantee that MULN will continue to uptrend, and this is not a call out. MULN is not a stock that I have a lot of faith in, but I will tell you about one stock which can squeeze in just a minute. If you like this video and you like making money, make sure to hit the like button, because traders rely on stock trading channels like this to learn about the stock market and make successful trades, and no other channel out there will help traders the way that I do, where I don't just tell them what stocks are interesting, but also how to manage their money so that they don't blow their entire trading accounts. MULN, sell before 150, please. That's what I'm doing. That's what I hope you do. MULN is a stock which can go up more, but don't expect it to go up past $1. In fact, expect it to crash tomorrow. Expect MULN to crash tomorrow, and instead take a look at this stock, MVLA. MVLA is a stock which just squeezed after hours. I didn't even watch this stock yet, but we had a position in this stock. It just squeezed to $2.38, which means that we are up 20% profit on this stock already. MVLA can go up further to $2.56. I'm actually going to notify my Discord traders right now. MVLA squeeze after hours. Okay, so squeeze after hours on MVLA. That means that we made 20% just now. I'm really excited to share this news with our pro traders, and I'm sorry, but this is extremely important because not only am I helping you make money, but I'm helping my pro community on Discord make money. So congratulations. Let's go at everyone. I'm letting everybody know about the trade that we just took. So make sure that you are watching MVLA as well, okay? So MVLA, if it stays above about $2.27, it can go up to $2.38, $2.48, $2.56, and if MVLA really squeezes, this thing can go all the way to $2.69. Okay, that's huge profits on a $2 stock. From $2 to $2.69, we're talking 20%, 30%. 40% profits in one day. So we're watching MVLA tomorrow, but is it too late to buy? Yes, it might be too late to buy now. I wanted to tell you about this stock when it was $2, but it's a little bit too late because the stock is squeezing after hours before I had a chance to record this video. And by the time you watch it, it's going to be even later. That being said, watch MVLA stock. This stock can go up even further tomorrow and on Monday. So this is a top watcher, MVLA. I would also take a look at LAZR stock, but these are the main trades that I'm taking right now. MULN stock, we mentioned earlier that we don't want this stock to take over our trading accounts. We don't want to spend all of our money on MULN stock because MULN can come up to $1 and then start crashing down in just a minute. So we need to make sure that we don't put a lot of money into stocks that can crash like MULN can. But if MULN continues to squeeze, it can go to $1.06, $1.16, and $1.33. $1.06 is very likely on MULN. So if you buy shares and you sell at $1.06, you're likely to make money on the stock. But again, we're not even sure we're going to get a break of $1 yet. So don't put a lot of money into MULN stock. I'm warning you right now that MULN can come right back crashing down with all of the traders that it trapped taking with the stock. So don't lose money in the stock market. Don't make bad decisions. Stop losing money. Start trading high quality stocks like LAZR, like MVLA, which we got into on the Pro Discord. And if you want to join the Pro Discord and learn how to make consistent money with me, your day trading coach, then click the link below and apply for a pro trial. I put a 100% of the risk on the line, and I give you training up front. I give you the chance to see that you can make money with that group before you pay me anything. And if there's anything I can tell you with 100% confidence, it's that our stock trading group will help you more than any other stock trading group learn how to trade professionally, stop losing money in the stock market, and recover your trading losses. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?